back, just grab this panel right here, push it down and pull it out. It just clips in right there. There's a cover right here, just slide this out of the way. It's just fabric. There's screws right there, or nuts. Take those 2 nuts out, and then there's one up top. Use a 10mm socket. When you go to take the last one out, you might want to hold the light from the front side, just so it doesn't fall. Take that nut off, and grab the light, slide it out. You can disconnect the connector right here. There it is. If you're going to replace the bulbs for this one down below, just grab and it pulls right out. This is a 912 bulb. You just slide it out and slide a new bulb into the socket. Line it up. And just push back in. For this bulb, just grab it and twist to the left. And grab the bulb, pull it out. This is a PY21W bulb. Line that up, push it in, put it in the socket, and twist. Connect the connector, lock that in, and slide the assembly in place. And take the nuts, line them up, get that started up top, get the 2 nuts started down below, and we'll tighten these down. Just snug them up. Now put this cover over. Just slide that in place. This piece lines up right down below first, and then lock it in.